Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mary and I am here to introduce boxes from Shenzhen, Tianya. They are a global company. They will ship anywhere around the country. This is an example of a box that they make. This is housing beautiful chocolates, gourmet chocolates. I'll show you those. I'll show you the box in a minute. They make boxes for all kinds of high-end products. You will recognize a lot of their boxes when you go to their website. They make products, or they house luxury type products, jewelry and watches and perfumes, all kinds of luxury items, chocolates, and they export their boxes around the globe. And when you get in touch with them, they will create a box that is made directly for you, directly for your product. So a lot of famous companies around the globe use them. Why not you? So I will put all the information below as to how to contact them. They're very easy to work with, and they make beautiful products, as you'll see. Let me show you this box in particular. This just so happens to be a chocolate box, but isn't this gorgeous? Gorgeous gold color. I'll take the bow off and show you the box. Well, I took the bow off, and here is the gorgeous box. It's a very beautifully made custom box that is very, very sturdy. This can show off so many different products. Like I said, in particular, this one is chocolates that it shows off. And this company that uses them makes many different types and styles of boxes of chocolates that you can get. And the boxes are just beautiful. They're custom made based on what you have packaged inside. So here is the lid. You can see that it's very well crafted, the way that it's put together. It's a nice hard cardboard. And then they have a beautiful liner on the inside. And then these particular chocolates have a tray. Here are the chocolates. And there's a tray. They make everything to fit your box perfectly. And see how this tray is? It holds your candies very well. And then it fits nicely in the box. It fits very nicely in the box, tight, to keep your candies safe. In this particular case, candies. Like I said, they do all kinds of luxury type items, and many, many boxes that we see at the store and are made from this company. It is Shenzhen Tianya. Beautiful name to the company, and I will have all the links below as to how you get in touch with them. And if you'd like to see some samples, they can produce various styles of packaging to meet your needs. Whatever your needs are, they can come up with a box for it. And they have a lot of wonderful ideas, and you can input your ideas as well. And like I said, they really do make boxes for high-end products. So why not make your product look high-end, whether it is or not? If it looks high-end, people think it's high-end. And that will really make your products pop and sell. So they export around the world, and they have they win all kinds of awards for their packaging, and they have it's all safe packaging. And Shenzhen Tianya was founded in 2007, and they engaged in the production and sales of hand-packed boxes and related products. They have over 2,200 different products to choose from, and they'll also custom make anything you want. They have 11,000 types of raw material database to work with to get exactly what you want and what you need. And like I said, this was just beautiful. I mean, look at that gorgeous gold and that beautiful bow that was on it. It was packaged so nicely. And then the tray inside. You know, when you open a box of chocolates, you usually see a lovely liner like that to protect, in this case, the chocolates. Could be jewelry, could be watches, could be perfume, so many different things. And then you have these gorgeous chocolates in here, so which I will get to sample here in a little bit. The box though itself is quite beautiful. It's the type of box, these boxes are the type of boxes that I would keep when I'm done with the product inside and use them to hold keepsakes. They're just that beautiful. So thank you for stopping by to see these beautiful boxes and Shenzhen Tianya. Go see them. I'll have all of their links below. And thank you so much for sending me this product to show. Y'all take care and count your blessings.